Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to another Tuesday short video. Today we're gonna talk about windshields, colors, options, sizes, and why I'm changing it on this beautiful Can-Am Spyder F3 limited special series that we have for our tour and rental agency. Well, why we are changing it? Because the stock one is just rather useless. Now guys, enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads, and no bullshit around, straight to the point. So let's get started. Why we are changing the stock windshield? Well, because it's useless. I'm 6'5", 6'6", and the worst thing about it is that it's actually hitting me directly into my face. I know not every guest that will come to our agency is a well-sized dude, but there are bigger people, I believe. And the worst thing about this is actually, but if there would be no windshield, I'll be taking the whole air basically on my chest, on my body, and I will be able to cope up with it. But this way, it flows and it directly hits me into the middle of my helmet at higher speeds, and I don't like it. So what are the options? Well, in terms of the size, and size always matters, right? Did I mention that I'm working with Freedome Windshields? Why? Because they have the best quality windshield. They look, well, no windshield can look good, but at least they look decent. And plus they are curvy at the end. So like when you buy, let's say size 15, it acts like size 17 or whatever, because the wind is basically like this one. It's going like much higher, right? So this is size 15, and you can see it's already like this higher. Size 17, this is the difference. And big ass size 19, jeez, that's big. It's this big. Now what are the options in terms of color? Maybe on this white you will see it. Of course there is a foil, so don't be fooled by that. But this is the light gray, medium gray, and dark gray. Light gray, medium gray, and dark gray. Now, the type of the windshield that we are throwing in, it's a light gray size 15. Why? Because if it would be my bike, well, I would not have windshield, but if I have to, like on this F3T or limited series, I would go for dark 15 or 17. I need to go for a test ride to see if 15 is enough or 17 is going to be enough. Definitely not 19, because that's way too big and ugly for me. Now, why light gray and why I would go for dark? Because dark would look much better on this red and black matte option. However, I want my guests to ride in the evening, to be safe, you know, so that's the reason why we are going only for light version. Now I'm going for a test ride. Of course, I will put this completely in. Going for a test ride, and we'll tell you if 15 is enough or that 17 would suit well-sized dude, 6'5", 6'6", so 2 meter tall dude better. So, massive improvement already. To be honest with you, I would need most probably 17. Right now, the size 15 Freedome Windshield is touching me at the edge of my Schubert helmet. So in case I would feel really like super comfortable, I would need to go for size 17. Size 19, I don't think it's really necessary for me, but there is a different story when we are talking about the passenger. So yeah, this is kind of a short experience about windshields. So this is it from today's video. In case you would like to see more Tuesday short videos, visit MartinTheVlogger.com. In case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, ToursOn3.com, and I can be your private tour guide. And now guys, enough of this. Oh, by the way, all of these windshields, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Now guys, remember, enjoy the summer and always have fun.